Monfrolo here. We're going to be unboxing the Sony PlayStation Pulse Elite, and today's knife is going to be this one.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Alright, we'll use this giant knife. Alright, let's see. We'll get the sticker off with the knife. Okay, I am struggling with this. I'm going to use this little knife. I don't want to dent the box too much, just in case. Wow, this is going horribly. Alright. So
As
let
we
me
see,
explain.
Monfrolo struggling to open a sticker, guys. This
is amazing. I'm going to try to explain some things while I'm trying to open this sticker here. So these are a little bit different than your average headsets. For your standard headsets come with dynamic drivers. This comes with planar drivers. That is run by a magnetic coil. So what it comes with is that this little instruction set here is actually pretty cool looking. It tells you everything you need to know, and very simple, and plus you can scan this right here for more. At PlayStation it says help.
It looks very simple to set up, doesn't it? I mean, if you're a caveman and you understand drawings only, there you go. There is no words on this whatsoever.
We both are cavemen, so this is very easy for us.
Exactly.
So the price point for this actually is $149.99 plus tax. So this is $149.99 in the US. So, and we also got this in store at Best Buy. There might be different prices in different stores or even online. Throw that over there. So these headsets, Tonaldo decided to get these because he wanted to try something more high-end. So planar drivers, they're actually very precise with their sound and how they produce it. So I can't exactly explain or even show how these things work, but they're completely different from your normal average speakers. So we're gonna open up this what it looks like to be an eggshell. I like that it has even a little handle. It's like, hey, look at my backpack. I got some PlayStation stuff. I really like this. It didn't come with any packaging in the box because it itself is being protected by this thing. It's really tough. You can see that the press is slightly in the center, but it's not anything.
Does it turn on the PlayStation? Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, it's like... go ahead.
Let's crack this egg open, or unzip it because it's a weird egg. All right, look at that. It's foam inserts and everything, and it's perfectly molded to the headsets.
Now this looks like what you would see in like a horse. You see the big old nostrils. It looks pretty cool, or an alien, or whatever you guys like to say.
Or if you really look at it, it could be a koala bear, because this is like the ears.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the headsets themselves. They look like very refined products, though it looks like plastic, but it looks and it feels like a denser type of plastic. It's not just any type of plastic. They do have a nice twist to them, so they're not too heavy. And this is adjustable right here. You can see that. Now it does have an inbuilt mic. It has two of them actually. They do AI noise canceling from whenever you're speaking and stuff like that. It's supposed to reduce some kind of ambient noise on the outside. So it has a extendable mic here. So it has a little mic there that I can extend. I don't know if it will mute it if you put it back in. But if anything, it looks like you can turn it however you want. Let's put that back in there. And Tonaldo, why don't you put these on? and see how they feel.
Let me see how they feel. Let me see. They feel pretty nice, and noise reduction on the ear cups are pretty good. It's pretty roomy from the ears as well. I feel it's not pressing on my ears, so I think it'll be good in that way.
All right, there you go.
And it does feel pretty comfortable.
All right, so we're gonna put these headphones over here for now, and we'll see what's in here. Oh, it has a little pocket. It looks like this is Velcro. Here's more instructions for us. Let's see if they're caveman ready. It appears to be caveman ready. Look at those fine pictures.
All we need is just like the little people hunting down the animals and be perfect. But this is
Cave drawings.
Cave drawings. This does look pretty good. I mean, it does have some information in here, but it's just about Sony's trademark stuff, so I obviously can't be using their things. I think it's just about this, whatever this may be.
Well, the charger hanger is to go onto the wall. You see that back part there? Hook straight up in there. Here's some. I dropped some materials there. Let's go see what that is. I'm gonna put this on the side. Alright. Let's see what's in this thing here. Okay, so this is what goes on the wall here. The screw goes through there. Yep. There's the hole. You put this on the wall, and then you grab this thing. You mount it to it like that. See? And it will hook onto the wall.
Wow, such easy installation. Now, if you do have drywall, you might want to use those little drywall hooks before, drilling a small hole and then putting that little plastic thing in there and then putting a screw in, depending where you put it.
This is the PlayStation Link. It is low latency, high quality audio that goes through here. Any settings that you want to do in terms of the EQ and things like that are actually already inbuilt into the PlayStation. Once you hook this up, you could go through the settings and finagle with that yourself. Comes with USB-A to USB-C charging port, I believe. Yes, this is a charging port. And I believe this also on the headphones itself. I believe it has a 3.5mm jack. It has the USB-C connection, the on and off, and the connectivity button, and to raise and lower your volumes here. I forgot to mention, there is a little button here on the mic. You press it here, and you can mute yourself right there. It's a little mic button, and that's a smart little placement for the mute button on the microphone.
Yeah, and I just wanted to say one more mention. You see, and for your PlayStation fans, look, you got the little triangle, circle, X, and square. It's wonderful, is it not? That's so cool. This is pretty cool. Hopefully these headsets are going to be better than those things I have bought in the past, and hopefully they will serve me well. This does feel very nice and soft to the touch, and even on my ears as well. It felt pretty nice. Excuse my disgusting hands because I've been working, and that's what you get when you when you bend wires and all that stuff, so that you get disgusting calluses on your hands. So please excuse me. Back to my proto.
For the last little update here, we're going to be testing these things out for a while. We'll guys let you know, update to see if they're good, if they're bad, or if we return them or not. So keep tuned for that update. Thank you for watching.